Hello, I'm Isaac Ajawa. I want to continue with introduction to Stata. Now I want to talk about how to work with do files. How do we work with do files? Do files are very important in carrying out analysis using Stata. It keeps all our commands and it can be repeated. It can be reproduced. So it's kept for reproducibility. Each time I want to use it, just go there and use it. So how do we get access to do file? So yeah, I want to use an example. One of the examples of the inbuilt data, and I can make use of that. Let me look for one of them. That is sys so we can pick any of these data sets as an example. Let me pick okay, this is US life expectancy data. You can see it display. They are all here. This is the year, these are the life expectancy. Detail of variables are here. So now I want to carry out some basic analysis on it. I want to carry out some basic analysis on it. I can say, okay, for example, I want to summarize that. Summarize all of this. If I'm carrying out analysis on all of this, I don't need to specify the variables, just enter it. All of them will be summarized. So this is life expectancy for male, life expectancy for female, all of them like that. They are here. You can see observation is 100. How do we see that? We have 100 observation, and we have how many columns? We have 10 columns. That's 10 variables. Now, see what I've done. I use use. That is system use. The data I use is a US life expectancy, and I want to now go to do file. This is do file. I can pick do file here. What's the name I'm going to give it? I can give it a name, or I come here, I just pick it. Do file, new do file. So once I click on that, it appears here. So this is a new do file. So I can, all these things I've done here, select all of them, copy, or just send to do file. So these are the commands I've used so far. So if I click on this, and I say run, it will run everything exactly what I've done here. You can see. Now we can at the same time I can run comments here. Just all I need is just to put a star here. Put the star here. That is comment. I will say okay. Open directory for system data sets. So I can give a gap again and say okay, use US life expectancy data. Then carry out and say carry out a summary statistics yes, on all the variables variables. So once I click on, okay, we need to give it a name. Let's give it a name. Save it to our directory. Call it my do file. I want to give it my do file. Start save it. If it's the first one I want to see, just select it and run. It runs it. If it's the second one we want to use, run it as it will run. See, data is there. Now we want to summarize maybe all of them. That does that. Or we want to summarize just 2 of them. You can just pick. And so whatever thing we do here, we can be repeated. So a do file is used for reproducibility of the code we have used, and each time we want to use that, as I've said, we can also combine with log file. Log file will keep all our results. One major difference between log file and do file is that log file will keep only the command, and you can run all the code at the same time. Thinking of how you see your result. That's what do file does. You can run all of your code at the same time, but it doesn't keep the result. But log file will keep both the code and the result. So and that is what it does. Thank you very much.